Experience yangu mimi hapa ni kwanza by accepting tayari hiyo that's a first step towards the right direction. So kutambua ile tatizo. So like you just admitted to yourself, right, because you had to do it to yourself first before you even spoke it out kwangu au kwa mtu mwingine.
Yeah.
Tayari wewe ulishakaa na mwenyewe with yourself and said, you know what? I think this is an issue. This is a problem.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You've been candid with yourself. Umefika level of self-awareness flani.
Yeah.
So you're not really sick.
Yeah.
Because now you know you're sick.
Right.
Right. So tayari hapo ni part of the healing process.
Yeah.
Well, once you discover that, now you could, go out there. Sababu, how you take away the power from the enemy is by exposing the enemy. So speak about it. It kills so much. It takes away so much energy from that thing, from that monster, from that whatever that's troubling you. Just saying it
to
someone? Anyone.
Okay.
Hata jirekodi tu hivi kwenye status yako afu post.
Okay.
But just let it out.
Okay.
Don't stay with it.
Okay.
Mwambie mtu. Ongea na mtu. Admit it. Tena to the rawest detail.
Yeah.
To the rawest detail. Be as candid and as... So, tafuta mtu ambaye you're comfortable enough with. Kama hicho kitu labda ni sensitive. Tafuta mtu that you're comfortable enough with. Mfungukie. Mimi, my brother has always been that person. My brother Andrew, he's always that guy that I call upon. Sababu ananijua toka I was little. So like I can really tell him anything.
Yeah.
Kwa hiyo, that's what I...
Is he your blood brother?
He's my step bro.
Okay.
Yeah, tunashare baba.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah. We talk a lot.
Yeah.
Kwa hiyo yeye ndio support system yangu.
Okay.
So yeah, that would be definitely the first step.
Okay.
Admit it. Yani, you don't understand how powerful that is in taking away the power from the devil, from the monster. Yani, as soon as ukiongea tu kile kitu, wewe mwenyewe utafeel ule mzigo unavyokuwa unakutua yani. You will feel so much better.